No, you don't.
Hi, Owen. Hi. Come see me. Hi, Mr. Man. Whoop.
Sure, go home.
Owen, come see me. Hi. Hi. Whoop.
Whoa.
Hi. Owen. Are you a walking little boy? Huh? Owen.
Whoa.
That had disaster written all over it. Did you see him trying to grab that through his legs? That was pretty funny. Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Are you gonna come this way? You're just so cautious. Good job. Can you say bye-bye? You say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Oh, are you gonna try to get up? That's hard on the hardwood floors with socks. Oh, and say bye-bye. Say mwah. Can you do that? Mwah. Show everyone. Mwah. Do it. Okay. What are you doing?
Whoa.
Is that your Slinky?
What you doing?
Slinky's like, why are you guys staring at me? Daddy's over there.
Dodo.